Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro and Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here in the settings we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update, and at the top we've got Software Update. So now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is when your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.